Hey everyone, I appreciate you stopping in to see what I am up to. I have a box from Sephora. Just did a little mini haul from them. Nothing crazy. I really don't need anything, but let me just get rid of this. I did get two things specific. And then I think there's a few little samples. 2 samples, I think. That's it. Or 3 samples, maybe. I have no idea. What is this? Ooh. I think that's everything. So I'm just going to put this box on the floor. I have 2 of the Hello favorites from Sephora. I haven't done them in a while. I forget about them. So I saw somebody else open one, and it was Pinky Jean, who used to be Jean's Junk. Just real fast. I know others have done this, and it's been a little bit since I filmed. I did have to take a week or so off for my back. It needed a rest and a reset, or else it was just going to keep on getting worse and worse. I think that heavy clean that I did in the beginning of January did not help. So I saw her open one and had to get these, but her channel was Jean's Junk. She was pretty far up there, close to, I think she was like 900 plus subscribers. She had like 700 and some videos. You know, she was on her way there and had a problem. And I'm not going to get into it. And she lost her channel. So she restarted a new channel, and it's called Pinky, P-I-N-K-E-E, Jean. So if you were subscribed to Jean's Junk and you wonder what happened, she's now Pinky Jean. And I can leave a link for her channel in my description box if you want to go over and resubscribe. Or if you're just interested in finding a new channel to watch too. She's got a great sense of humor. She's, I guess, middle-aged. You know, I don't know how old she is. She's funny. She really is. And she does quite a bit of different things. So, you know, even, you know, I'm sure something is there that would you know, keep you interested to watch. So that's a good channel to, oh, I know what this is, to watch if you are not already. So what I did, I got with points, this item right here. I think I used 100 of my points. And this is from Dior. And this is a super potent serum. Capture Totally Cell Energy, it says. I figured, why not? I love Dior. Wow, this is tiny little sample. But I figured I would try it and see what I thought. I know Dior is expensive, but if it's really nice, I would buy it. And then I chose from Rare Beauty the primer collection, and it's just like the little bubble packs. Figured I would try that. And then from Laura Mercier, the Caviar Stick Eye color. Right here. And then these are the 3 right here to give a shot. I like the crown sticks, the shadow sticks. I think they're so much easier. If you're like me and don't feel like doing all that, you can just put one of them on, blend it out, put a little darker in your crease, and do it all with your finger, and you're good to go. So they were the 2 samples, and then the Dior was, I used 100 of my points. This one right here, I don't know which one is which. I'm confused. I think this one is the greatest hits. Am I mistaken? I don't know which one. I'll open one and then I'll tell you. So we'll do this one first. And this says All-Star Beauty. And these are nice bags if you want to store masks and stuff in there. So you get, and it smells good in there. Nice. Ooh, so it smells yummy in there. There are quite a few products for the money. I don't know what, I can tell in a second if I just look at the picture. Let me blow this up a little bit more. I think this one right here, I just want to see a product or 2 that I could maybe figure it out. Okay, I think this one is Greatest Hits. And this is, the color is Set A. And this was only $8. So, very cheap. So, you do get a little card here, 15% off. If you were to buy a full-size product, and they give you all the codes on the back, and I guess you could redeem this in store too, but you would save 15% off if you purchased a full size of anything that's in here, which is nice. And they don't give you any other information, which I'm fine with. Ooh. From Anastasia Beverly Hills, I have a Brow Wiz Skinny Brow Pencil in medium brown right here. The struggle is real trying to get these packages open sometimes. And this is nice, a little pencil. And then you can, you know, use this for trick. Ooh. Really? It came with a spoolie on one end. Wow, they managed to get a spoolie in there. Oh, yeah. And then the product is this end. Nice. Perfect for travel. Now you have 2 products with you that, you know, that's all you have to take. I'm happy for that. Let's do this first. We have from the Sephora collection, Clear Brow Gel. I love the brow gel, and that's what it looks like. I have so many of them, I probably wouldn't rebuy that. And then this is Alien, and this is Mugler Eau de Parfum. Right here. I think that's what I smell. There's the little bottle. Mugler the Circle. Dive into a magical universe of exclusive privileges. Ooh, it really does smell good. Yes, that smells wonderful. Oreo. Oreo. You okay, baby? She just like took a dive down the steps. She missed going down, missed one, and tumbled. I mean, she's fine, but I think it scared me. Thank God it was only 2 steps. She just moves. It's like you shoot a gun, and there goes Oreo. I mean, bullet. She's flying. Oh, she scares me sometimes. So this is Super Goop Glow Screen Broad Spectrum Sunscreen SPF 40. Always happy to have that. I have to watch some of them. They don't do well on my skin. Now, I have tried this in the past, and this is from Way Detox Shampoo. All hair types. This is very nice, so I'm happy to have a little sample. I think I have a sample of the conditioner. So then the last one in here is from First Aid Beauty, and this is Bumpy Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA, safe for sensitive skin. I love First Aid Beauty. I am using their, I think it's Ultimate or Ultra Repair moisturizer as a hand cream. It works wonderfully. This brand is just phenomenal. Get your hands on anything from First Aid Beauty, do it. So that was the $8 bag. Ooh, don't hit the floor. And then this one was $10, and this is the December 2021 number 6 bag from the Hello Favorites. And that was $10, so I'm happy to have that. And I do save these bags, and when I want to give out some masks, like to my family members, I put them right in here. They fit perfectly. I don't know where to put all this stuff. So we'll do some perfume first. Giorgio Armani, My Way. And I save all these in the packaging and put them in one of my drawers over this way. And when I want to try a new perfume, I have it to try. So that's what that looks like. Oh, that smells, I can smell cedar wood. Oh, a little bit of musk. I can smell the musk. I can smell the vanilla. Oh, that smells nice. Oh, I don't know where to start. From Sunday Riley, Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. I'm going to leave this sealed. This feels like a little tube. I'm going to share that because I have full sizes. From Living Proof, the Restore Perfecting Spray. Conditioning, detangling. I don't generally like Living Proof, but I might give this small size a try. Oh, and you still get the card 50% off a full size item. From Kiehl's, we have Powerful Strength, Line Reducing and Dark Circle Diminishing Vitamin C Eye Serum. Ooh, Kiehl's, another great brand. And then here, from Urban Decay, All Nighter Face Primer. Love that. It's just a little tiny spray bottle, or how do they? Oh, this is just a little tube. Love Urban Decay in general, so that's nice to have. And then from NARS, we have the Light Reflecting Setting Powder. Look how tiny that is. But these are great for travel. I mean, even if you don't use them for travel and you use them in your home, there's nothing wrong with that. Use your products up. This is tiny. Translucent crystal. Let's see. I love the NARS packaging. No mirror, obviously, and that's what that looks like. Nice. I love it. I'm telling you, if there's a Sephora and you can order these, I don't know if Sephora, I think Sephora might be in Canada too. I don't know. I saw something last night that they couldn't order from one of them, and I don't know if it was Sephora or Ulta, but I thought Sephora you could. I honestly don't know. I honestly don't remember that. But if you can get your hands on one of these bags, $8 or $10, this is a great way to try all kinds of really nice products, in my opinion. So I'll try to remember. I wrote in my calendar, like for February and March, like in one of my notes columns, Sephora favorites, to remind me to look at them. Now, I looked at the Target beauty boxes, and they just have not been doing it for me. And for $15, I'm like, So if I see one, you know, pop up that's any good, I will get it. But I haven't been liking them. And I'm not ordering stuff just to order it. That is ridiculous. I tried not to do that in the past. Sometimes I would just order the Target box to bring it to show you. But I'm not going to do that. If I'm not going to use any of it, I'm not buying it. Obviously, that is just crazy. So these are always good, and plenty of brands and nice little products to try out for yourself. So I don't think you would be disappointed if you got one of these, even if you just got one. And, you know, you always get 2 samples to pick, so that's always nice. You can try some other products. Like, I'm excited to try both the Rare Beauty primer and the Laura Mercier Shadow Stick little primer packs. And then I used some points and tried this little Dior product, so why not? Let me know your thoughts in my comments. I would love to know, do you get these occasionally? Do you forget about them just like me? And I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.